all those clips shot on a smartphone camera. Good day, you beautiful people. We're doing something different today. We are by a beautiful beach, and today we're gonna be shooting with the Honor 200 Pro. Call this phone the Portrait Master for nothing. This reps two 50 megapixel cameras on the back, and there are 3 cameras, so there's a third 12 megapixel wide. And for the selfie lovers, that front-facing camera is also a 50 megapixel shooter. Of course, this phone uses AI to make your photos and videos better, but a thing to note is that this thing is also powered by a Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. Simply put, that's a very capable processor. Also partnered with Studio Harcourt for their portrait. There are 3 different portrait styles, so I decided to test them out. Totally blown away by these portraits, and I love the Harcourt styles, and as shot, they're perfect for posting on social media. And speaking of posting on socials with this phone, this magic portal thing is insane. So I'm in the gallery, and for example, I want to share this photo. All I need to do is drag it to the side, and let's say I wanted to send it to someone on Telegram, drag it to Telegram, and you don't even need to open the app. Tap the person, send. You're good to go. If I want to share it on socials, I do the same thing, feed, and you're good to go, and you just click next and you're ready to post. This was so exciting to me. There is now AI eraser on the Honor 200 series, and it works pretty well, let me tell you. Wide, 1x, 3x, cheers! Shooting with the Honor 200 Pro. And that was our quick look at my favorite features on the Honor 200 Pro. Let me know what you guys think, and stay tuned for next time. Until the next trip and the next device.